you guys, welcome back to my channel. I gave in to Christmas. YouTube made me do it. I've been seeing so many YouTubers decorating and shopping for Christmas, and I couldn't hold back anymore. So I am going to be putting away the fall decorations tonight. I bought this. I mean, how freaking cute is this? I'm 38. Should I really be wearing a tutu? Probably not, but I just love it. I bought this yesterday at Marshall's. So if you guys have a Marshall's and you like this dress, you should head out there now because it was only $24.99. And I think that's a really good deal for this cute little dress. So we are going to be doing a couple little shop with me's. I wanted to wear this out to the stores, but I feel like it might be a little too early for that. I mean, I already get weird looks from vlogging and talking to myself in the stores. I don't really want to get weird looks for this too. So, all right guys, let's do some Christmas shopping. Oh, oh, da, 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 oh, oh, da, 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 oh, oh, da, 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 making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to... So I would say that Hobby Lobby by far had the biggest selection for pretty much everything. Ornaments, they had any color you can imagine, any type that you could imagine. Like Hobby Lobby won for the ornaments, holy moly. So many ornaments. They had tons of the little balls for the trees. They just had a ton of pretty decorations, and they were half off, I believe. Their fall stuff was still only half off, which I was kind of wishing it was going to be a little bit more, but I was loving all these little like princess ornaments that I would love to put a little tree in my girls' rooms, and I just thought some of these would be so cute. And I liked all these food items. Oh my goodness, the donuts. But yeah, Hobby Lobby had some really, really cute stuff. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, da, 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 oh, oh. I don't know if you guys have seen this little collection at Hobby Lobby called My Little Christmas, but it's all like miniature ornaments and just stuff for the little trees. And I actually did 2 of these little trees in my girls' rooms last year, and I bought some of these cute little ornaments. I thought they were so cute. So yeah, this is just a really cute little collection, and then there's the trees that you can get to decorate. They've even got little tree skirts. They're so adorable. So I will say I was completely blown away at how expensive these garlands were. Some of these were $70, so they were very pretty to look at, but I don't think I would be purchasing any of those. Even half off, I mean, that's still a lot for those. Next, we came to At Home. I'm not sure if these stores are everywhere. They're fairly new, very new to me. I've only known it for maybe the last year. And I don't know, I feel like the first couple times I went there, I was like, wow, this is really cheap. You know, it's like Burlington, really great prices. But this time, they were expensive. I really didn't find anything. I mean, they had some really cute stuff, don't get me wrong, but I was kind of shocked at their prices. I would probably rather stick with a Marshall's or Burlington or even Ross. These garlands weren't as bad as Hobby Lobby by any means. I think they were like $30, but none of their stuff was on sale. And yeah, I just thought they were kind of pricey. We did look through their fall stuff. They had their fall stuff 50% off, and their Halloween stuff was only 50% off. Like, I feel like that should have been like 75% off. And even their fall stuff, I feel like should have been on sale a little bit more. But that's just me.
I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
And the last place we came to was Walmart. I needed to grab a few items, so I was like, oh, I'll just check out the Christmas stuff. And look at you guys, like all of the stuff is gone. I couldn't believe how much stuff was already gone and people had already bought. They did have a ton of cute stuff still. They had a ton of ornaments. I feel like they didn't, maybe not as big of a selection as Hobby Lobby, but they had some really cute stuff. And I did end up getting some new ornaments for the tree. I want to incorporate some pink this year, so stay tuned for that because I plan to do a Christmas house tour.
And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you.
I thought these little signs were so cute. They lit up with LED lights, and I was gonna get the Let It Snow. I'm not really sure why I didn't. I may end up going back to get it, but these were so adorable. So that pretty much does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I haven't really ever done a shop with me before, so let me know if you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for our Christmas house tour. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.